Ever wondered why coughing becomes a concert during silence? Coughs can rocket out of your mouth at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. A single cough ejects about 3,000 droplets, while a sneeze releases about 100,000. Coughing can be voluntary or involuntary, serving as a crucial protective reflex. Frequent coughing at night may indicate a serious condition, like asthma or GERD. Some cultures view coughing during a meal as a sign of good luck, but most do not. Did you know that the average human cough would fill about 3/4 of a 2-liter drink bottle with air? From speeding projectiles to signs of fortune, coughing holds weird but fascinating facts.